How to make a Facebook account blue mark. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make a Facebook account blue mark. First, launch the Facebook app on your phone. Next, go to the More tab and tap the gear icon at the top. Now, tap the Account Center option. Swipe down the menu list and go to the Meta Verified option. Hit the Join Waiting List button at the bottom of the screen. Then, you will be on the waiting list. To check the eligibility, tap the Eligibility for Meta Verified Hypertext link. Now, swipe down the screen to review the eligibility criteria to subscribe to Meta Verified. After completing the eligibility criteria, you will get the blue mark on your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.